Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi my dear students, how are you? Welcome to the second video in our story, The Dog Newspaper by Peg Kehret. Today we're gonna talk about vocabulary in context. So I want all of my dear students to bring their books and open page 538 and 539. At first, let's read the words together to know how to pronounce them in a good way. Career, career. Publication, publication. Background, background. Household, household. Insights, insights. Required, required. Uneventful, uneventful. Edition, edition. Formula, formula. Distraction, distraction. And now, guys, is the time to know how to get the meaning of these words. It's easier for you as a reader to know the meaning of any word when you put it in a sentence or when you read it in context. The first word is career. The career or chosen work of a journalist involves carefully gathering the facts. Journalist, teacher, pilot, professor, all of them are careers or jobs. So the word career means job. The second word is publication. A news publication might take the form of a newspaper, news magazine, or website. The word publication, as you see in the picture, means any printed work, such as newspaper or magazine. The third word is background. Years of experience as reporters often give TV newscasters their needed background. The word background means experience or old information about something. The fourth word is household. This boy delivers newspapers to nearly every household in his neighborhood. The word household means people who live in the house. It's like family. The fifth word is insights. During interviews, reporters hear the insights and opinions of other people. Insights or opinions. So, insights means opinions or ideas or thoughts. The sixth word is required. TV cameras are often required or needed to record all the action at sports event. So we need a camera to record the action of a sports event. So the word required means needed. A pen and a piece of paper are needed or required to write a topic. The seventh word is uneventful. This meteorologist predicts an uneventful week. The weather won't change much. So the word uneventful means unimportant. The eighth word is edition. A special edition or version of a newspaper might be published after a huge news event. The word edition means version or part. Formula. Use this formula or rule in all news articles. Tell who, what, when, where, why, and how. The word formula means rules or system. Destruction. The word destruction comes from the verb destroy. Papers reported that the destruction caused by the hurricane left some people homeless. Look at the picture. Damage, ruin, harm, or destruction. And now, guys, let's play this game or have this quiz just to make sure if you have already understood the lesson. Profession, the work a person does to earn a living. The meaning of the red word in the following sentence. Who is a part of your household? As we said, household are people who live in the house. Set of rules or steps. Necessary or called for. Past experience, training, and education. Background. The details of a person's or thing's past. Background. Version or specific issue. Edition. What is the meaning in the following sentence? How can a person's background affect his background means history. Vast damage or devastation, which is destruction. Unimportant or insignificant. Uneventful. The people who live in a house. Household. Understanding on an issue or point of view. Insights. Any print product, such as a magazine, book, or newspaper. Publication. Finally, guys, I want to remind you of page 44 and 45 in the reading booklet. You should answer these two pages to make sure that you have understood the lesson. Thank you so much.